Okay, dear students, let us see the second question, second problem. Okay, check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. Injective means what? Injective means one function. Surjective means onto function. That means we have to see whether these functions are one function and onto functions or not. Okay, injective or surjective. If both injective and surjectivity is available, then that function is going to be called as bijective function. Okay, five sub problems have given a b c d 1 2 3 4 5 in under second problem. Then one by one we will see. First problem, first part of second problem, function is between natural numbers n and n. Okay, n to n. F function is n to n given by f of x is equal to x square. Okay, let us see. Natural numbers we have to take both as per arrow diagram. Okay, in both sets are having natural numbers, but relation function dictates the relation between these two domain and codomain. Why? Because this is domain, this is codomain. Okay, let us see. Draw the arrow diagram first. Okay, see, this is the arrow diagram and both are having n function f. Okay, start from 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. 2, 3, 4 are all there. 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. Why? Because these are natural numbers. Now let us see the function also. Function we will see one by one. We will start making relation. Okay, now as natural number f, we can give input of fx is equal to x square. This is the function. Okay, then f of 1 is going to become 1 square, that is equal to 1. That means here 1 and 1 is having relation. Okay, here 1 and 1 is having relation. Okay, then next one is 2. Okay, 2 also we will take. F of 2 is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. Okay, next time we are having relation with 2 with 4. 2 with 4. Okay, now let us take 3 also. F of 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 square, that is equal to 9. That means 3 is having relation with 9. 3 is having relation with 9. Okay. Now we will stop here, then we will analyze what is going on under. Okay. See, for injectivity, one function should be there. Okay, one means from this side you may find that one only. From that side we will see whether 9 is having 2 pre-images. See, here 9 is image, 3 is pre-image, 4 is image, 2 is pre-image. Okay, for having injectivity, the pre-image should have only one pre-image. Okay, 1 1, or else many 1 it is going to become. Many 1 means not injective. Okay, okay, see, 9 we are having. Okay, 9, for coming 9, what numbers you require? As for this function I am talking about. See, if function is only x, then 9, if here 9 is there, 9 will come. Why? Because fx is equal to x, that's all. 9 9 1 1, but not here x. Here function is x square. X square means any number if you square, then the result is going to become codomain. Relation. See, even if you make relation or not, here 9 is already existing, but we have written. See, what I am doing now, you see, both are natural numbers. Then 1, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, like that already available here. All numbers are available, but relation one by one we are making as per this function. Okay. Now if you see, for 9 image we require either -3 or 3. Then only if you square this will become 9, this square if you become 9. But if you observe here, this is natural number. Natural number -3 don't come. You understand, na? Natural number -3 don't come. No negative numbers will be there in natural numbers. That is why -3 doesn't come. Then for becoming 9, you have the only one option, 3 only you have to give input. That means what you can understand, for each image there is a possibility of having only one pre-image. Then this is going to become injectivity. Okay, see, we have come reverse. Why? Because we may have to come reverse, or else we cannot understand the concepts. Then we can understand that 1 to 1 only relation is available here. That is why this function is injective function. That we have to write. Okay, what we write? See, there is a possibility of as a set contains natural numbers, there is a possibility of only one pre-image for every image in codomain. Actually, image will lies in codomain only. Okay. As a set contains natural numbers, there is a possibility of only one pre-image for every image. This is pre-image, this is image. Okay. Or else you can put this like this. Why? Because somewhere like that you don't write. Pre-image, image. Pre-image for every image in codomain. Okay. Therefore this is an injective function. Okay, now the first property over, injectivity is over. Now we go for surjectivity. Surjectivity means onto. Onto means here codomain and range should become equal. But is it going to become equal? No. Why? Because see, after 1 4 is having relation. But what about 2 and 3? 2 and 3 doesn't have any relation. After 4 9 is having relation. What about 5, 6, 7, 8? 5, 6, 7, 8 doesn't find any pre-image. That is why if elements are left in codomain and range is not equal to codomain, then that function is going to be called in a function. See, whatever I am talking about, this is in a function. If in a function elements are not having, or we can say in a function elements in codomain, if they don't find any pre-image, then that function is going to be called as non-surjective or not onto. We write that. Okay, how? Some explanation also we have to give the work. The elements 2, 3, etc. from codomain does not have any pre-images in domain. The elements 2, 3, etc. Why I have written? See, even 5, 6, 7, 8 are also there. The elements 2, 3, etc. from codomain does not have any pre-images in domain. Therefore, this is not surjective. This is not surjective function. Okay, you understand the concept. Why? Because concept you have to understand, or else you are not able to Answer the questions properly. See, before making function also, these sets contains all natural numbers both sides. But for becoming function, domain should not be vacant or empty or should not left any element, but every element from this domain should have relation. Then only this is going to be called as a function. Okay? Oh, okay. Now this is function you only given function like. You understand? Na? From this side you need not worry. Here 5, 6, 7 are there. What about this side? This side every relation, every image, every element will have relation. Okay. Now let us go for second part. Okay. Now see second part of the second question. See, function is same. Fx is equal to x square. Function is same, but here relations or arrow diagram sets have been changed. Earlier those were natural numbers, now integers they have given. Why? Because see, he is making us to build up concept slowly. First natural number they have given, only positive numbers will be there and 0 will not be there. Now integers they have given, that means negative number, positive number, 0 will be there, but all are integers only, no rational numbers. Then real number will come in third part. Okay, like that we have to see. Okay, okay, let us draw arrow diagram for this also. Okay, see how I am drawing the arrow diagram. Okay, see both are z and function. Okay, okay, and also we can write what are there inside. Inside, say minus infinity to plus infinity will be there, plus infinity, minus infinity, in between 0 also will be there. Okay, in between 0 also will be there. That means all integers will come. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that it will go up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity it will go. From 1 onwards it becomes like natural number here. Natural number plus 0 in whole number plus negative numbers is going to become integers. Okay. Now we see the function. How can we write and draw? Okay. Okay. Fx is equal to x square. This is the function. Now 3, 4 we take. 3, 4 elements we take. 3, 4 elements from domain. Okay. This is domain we take. This is a function, means every element in the domain will have relation. When it is having relation, that is called domain. Okay. Now you see, I take f of minus 1 first. Okay. Then minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 1. What I do here, I write minus 1 and 1 and I make relation like this. Minus 1 to 1. Okay. Okay. Next what I do? I do 1 also. F of 1 is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1. Why? Because see, when I have taken minus 1, I can take minus 1 also. Why? Because both are available. Randomly I am taking and purposefully also. Why? Because I have to show that for minus 1, 1 both are result 1. Okay, now minus 1 if you take 1 has come, even if you take 1 also 1 has come. That means with 1 to 1 also relation is there. Okay. Here 1 I will write, but relation is 1 to 1. Okay. See, now stop here. We will take further afterwards. For showing injectivity, only these two results are enough for us. For showing not injectivity. Okay. Why? Because see, many one function comes means that is not injective. One function comes, then only it is injective. Here many one has come. Why? Because for one there are two results. For image 1 there are two pre-images, minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 square also 1, 1 square also 1. Okay, that is why this is not injective. First we will write that one, we will finish, then we go for surjectivity also. Okay, let us write. How to write? See, we write like this. The image in codomain, the image 1 in codomain have more than one pre-images y's minus 1 and 1. Okay, therefore this is not injective. This is not injective function. You understand, na? Why? Because see, like that only you write. This is codomain image, pre-images. See, if any element don't have relation, that is not image. Don't write that image. That you write only elements. Okay, some elements in codomain are not having any relation with the domain. Elements in domain, like that you have to write. Why? Because see, when relation comes, then only image and pre-image words will come, or else will not come. Okay. Now injectivity over. Now we see about surjectivity also. Okay. What about surjectivity? Surjectivity means here elements should not left. All elements should have relation. Okay. Let us see. One we have seen, and we will see two also. We will see two also. Say f of 2 is equal to 2 square, that is equal to 4. F of minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 square, that is equal to 4. That means minus 2 and 2 I am going to write. Okay. Here 4 I take. Here 4 I take. Okay. Here minus 2 and plus 2. Relation from minus 2 to 4 plus 2 to 4. Okay. Okay. Now we stop here. We need not see much. What I am doing, see 1 is there means here 2 also will be there, 3 also will be there, even minus will be there, minus 2 will be there, minus 3 will be there. Okay. Okay. First point, in positive numbers itself, after 1 4 has come. Relation 2 and 3 they don't have any relation. Second one, all negative numbers. See, in integers, negative integers also will be there, positive integers also will be there. But because of square function, all results output will be positive only. What about negative? Negative will left like that only. All negative left and they don't have any relation. These elements, these are not images. Here 1 is image, 4 is image, 9 may be image. Why? Because 3, 9 we have not yet made relation. Okay. But 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 all are only elements. Elements in codomain. Those are not images. Why? Because they don't have any relation. If they don't have relation, we should not call them as images. Okay. Now we write that one same. Okay. See how I am writing. I am writing elements. Here I have written image. The elements wise minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, etc. does not have any relation from domain. Any relation from domain. Therefore, non-surjective. Non-surjective or not surjective, both are correct, not wrong. Non-surjective or not surjective. Okay. Now we finished this second part of your question. We go for third part. Okay. See the third part of the second question. Function is same, x square only, but here domain or codomain have been changed. Now real numbers have come. That means arrow diagram we have to take real numbers for domain and codomain, and we will make relation between real numbers only. Real numbers means even rational numbers, irrational numbers also will come. Let us take one by one and we will see. Okay. See how I am writing and all. Okay. Now both are real numbers only. Real numbers. Okay. And a function between these two, domain and codomain. Okay. Now I can say here, see 0 also will be there in between. Okay. Minus infinity to plus infinity. plus infinity, minus infinity, and say positive side root 2 also will be there, irrational number. Here also minus root 2 will be there, rational number will be there, say 3 by 2, and 4 will be there. Okay, minus 2 will be there, even minus 1 by 2 also will be there. Like that, numbers will be there. Rational numbers means all will come. So real numbers means natural number 4, whole number 0, integer minus 2, rational number minus 1 by 2 or 3 by 2, irrational number root 2. Like that, all will be there in real number. See whether this function applicable or not, we have to take all numbers in these two sets. Okay, now you come to this function, but he has mentioned functions. That means from domain every element is having relation that side. That is why this side no element will left without any relation. That is why this is function. This is function, it is a precondition examiner has given. Okay, now we have to see this side only, what connections will be there. Like, okay, now come back, write function again, f of x is equal to x square. Okay, now say randomly I take. Okay, now I take say minus 1 by 2, f of minus 1 by 2. Why? Because see, in earlier cases all fair figures, digits we have taken, natural numbers and integers. Now we take a rational number. This is a rational number. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Okay, now square you have to make, minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I write 1 by 4. I am going to make relation between these two. Minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 4 relation is there. Okay, now what I am going to do, next time I am going to make f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2. Purposefully I am making. Why? Because I want to show that both results are same and 2 are going to come, then that is not injective. That you may be understanding. Okay, f of 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 4. See, even if you give minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, because of square. Then again here you make 1 by 2 to 1 by 4 connection. 1 by 2 to 1 by 4. Now for showing injectivity, we stop here, we write first injectivity. Injectivity I am talking about, whether it is injective or not I have not yet told. Now you tell me, is it injective function? No. Why? Because this is many 1. For injective, 1 should come, but here many 1 has come. Okay, that is why this is not injective. We write first that one, then we go for again surjectivity. Okay, what we have to write? See, this is now image. These two are pre-images. Why? Because these are having relation. For image 1 by 4, there are 2 pre-images. 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 in domain. Therefore, this is not injective. This is not injective. Okay, this is not injective. Now injectivity is over. Injectivity, we have told that, we have declared that this is not injective function. Why? Because many 1 function. Now we go for surjectivity. Okay, surjectivity means what? Surjectivity means here no element should left, and domain and codomain and range should become equal. We will see. See, we have taken one same case. Square means several are going to miss. Okay, now I take like this. F of 1 is equal to 1. F of 2 is equal to 4. Okay, 1 to 1, 2 to 4 relation is there. Okay. Now we draw first these two relations. Say here 1 and 2 are there. Here I am writing 4. Okay. Now let us make relation between these two. 1 to 4. Sorry, 1 to 1, 2 to 4. Two to 4 relation I have made. 1 to 1 also I will make. See, after 1 and 4, 2, 3 also will be there. Okay, 2, 3 also will be there. Now let us see whether these are having relation or not. Okay, now for 2 what will be the relation? For 2, f of see, f of x is equal to 2. You go back, then x square is equal to 2. X square is equal to 2 means x may be minus root 2 plus root 2. But this is a real number. Here minus root 2 plus root 2 already available. Even minus root 2 also may be there. Then relation will be there with every element. That means here all may be having relation. That you have to understand. Why? Because these are real numbers, not natural numbers or integers. Okay. See, whatever you take, let us take. Now, shall I write this relation first? Okay. Now here 2 is there. Root 2 to 2 relation has come. Okay. Even minus root 2 to 2 relation also will come. Okay. Okay, now we see for any rational number. Rational number means say randomly we take 3 by 4 this side. Say I have taken 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. See, now I am writing here. That side 3 by 4 is there. See, 3 by 4 already there because of real numbers. 3 by 4 has not come. 3 by 4 is already there. Okay, fx is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, that means x square is equal to 3 by 4. X is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 4. That means see plus root 3 by 2 comma minus root 3 by 2. Why? Because 4 2 root. Okay, both. Now you tell me this side plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 is there or not? Will be. Okay, now you see this side for 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 will be there. Okay, I am writing like this: root 3 by 2 to 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 to 3 by 4. Okay, okay. Now can we conclude that this is a surjective function? No. Why? Because see, whatever the result is coming, but all are positive results only coming. See, because of square, all positive results are coming. What about negative results? See, this is real number. Like integer, here also negative numbers will be there. What about those negative numbers? You see, minus 1 will be there, minus 2 will be there, minus 3 will be there. Okay. What about those negative numbers? Negative numbers, they don't find any pre-images here. That is why this is not surjective. That we will write. We write like this. All negative numbers in codomain does not find any relation from domain, therefore non-surjective. Okay, therefore non-surjective. See, this is injective, but so this is not injective. Why? Because see, two pre-images are there. This is neither injective nor surjective. Okay, like that you have to write. We go for fourth part. Okay, see the fourth part of the second question. Now function has been changed. Even though natural numbers are given, function has been changed. Now function has become x cube. Earlier we have done for natural numbers x square. Now x cube has been given. Then we have to do this for x cube. Okay, let us draw the arrow diagram. Okay. Say both are natural numbers means n, f. Okay. Okay. N, f. Natural numbers we know 1 to infinity, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like fair figures will come. No fractions are going to come. Okay. Now you come to the function. F of x is equal to x cube. That means f of 1. First I take 1 only. Why? Because here 1, 2 like this will be there. No negative number, no 0 will be there. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube. That is equal to 1. That means here 1 to 1 relation is there. 1 to 1 relation is there. Okay. Now I go for f of 2. Next number. That is equal to 2 cube. That is equal to 8. That means 2 to 8 relation is there. 2 to 8. 2 to say 8. Okay. And we will go for another number also. And we will declare. Let me take 3 only. F of 3 is equal to 3 cube. That is equal to 27. Okay. Okay. Say 3 is here, 27 is here, 3 to 27 relation is there. Why? Because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now we stop and we analyze about injectivity. Is this injective? You think? Yes, sir. Why? Because see here for 1 only 1 will be there. For 8 only 2 will be there. See here function is cube. Cube root of 8 will come 2 only. You understand now? Cube root of 8 will come 2 only. Cube root of 27 will come 3 only. Okay. And this side, cube root of 27 will come 3 only. Like that, they don't have any option. Only one pre-image will be there for every image. That is why this is injective. Why? Because see here, if square is there, that too here minus negative numbers are there, then 2 pre-images will come. But here square is not there. Why? Because see here natural number don't have negative numbers. Say here ZZ is there and negative numbers will be there. ZZ means and square is there. Then what will come? Square, negative number, positive number, both result are same. That is one case. Second case, if it is a cube, ZZ is there. Even then, minus 2 cube, 8, minus 8, plus 2 cube, plus 8 will come. Both are different. That means that also only one pre-image. Okay, for cube, one pre-image we came to know. Okay, now we can write this is injective. Okay. Each image from domain has only one pre-image in, this is codomain. Each image from codomain has only one pre-image in domain. Therefore, injective. You understand what I have written? This is a cube. There is no option. Only one pre-image only will come. Okay. Here you write codomain, not domain. This is domain, this is codomain. Each image from codomain has only one pre-image in domain. Therefore, injective. Okay. Now, 1-1 function. 1-1. You can write 1-1 also. Injective. Here I asked injectivity means injective only you write. Subjective means subjective only you write. That is good. Okay. Now we go for Surjective also. Okay. Before going subjective, first analyze for subjectivity. For subjectivity, here this side elements should not left. That means each element should have relation. That means here codomain and range should become equal. Codomain equal to range means surjective or onto function. Is it like that? Say after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Well, see cube, 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. What about between 2 and 3? Is there any connection? Okay, we go back. Or else we take one randomly one number 6. And 6 pre-image if you want to find x cube is equal to 6. Then what about x? Cube root of 6. Is it a natural number? Cube root of 6. Not a natural number. Then cube root of 6 doesn't exist in this set. That means there is no pre-image for element 6. Okay. There is no, we can say no relation. No relation for 6. Okay, don't write pre-image or image. Why? Because image and pre-image, when they have relation, then only we have to write. Okay, we don't have any relation for elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. That is why this is non-surjective. Like that we have to write. That's all. Okay. Let us write. Each image from codomain has only one pre-image in domain, therefore injective, that is over. Now for surjective we will see. For elements like 2, 3, 4, 6, etc. from codomain, do not find any relation from domain. Therefore, non-surjective. Okay, this is non-surjective. Why? Because see, several elements are left, but this is injective. Injective but not surjective. Now we finished the fourth part. We go for fifth part. Okay, now we see the fifth part of the second question. Function is same, x cube, like earlier fourth part, x cube only. But here, earlier natural numbers were there, now integers have given. Let us see integers also, then we go for injectivity. Okay, okay. Now what I am doing, you see, arrow diagrams I am drawing. Say we have function with now z has come, integers z and function. Okay, what is z? Z means negative numbers also will come, 0 also will come. In natural number n there is no negative numbers and there are no zero negative numbers and there is no 0 also for natural number. But now this is integers z. Here 0 also will come, negative also will come, positive, 0, negative, all will come, both side will be there. Now we see relation. Based on function we have to make relation. Okay. Now we write function f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x cube. This is the function. Now what I do, I take 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 cube, that is equal to 8. Okay, another one also I am taking. Let me take f of minus 2. Why? Because minus 2 also will be there. This is a integer. See, rational numbers will not be there. Minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 3, those don't come. But remaining all fair figures will come. It may be negative or positive. Okay. Minus 2 means minus 2 whole cube. But this time this comes minus 8, not 8. Both are different. That you have to observe. Let us see. Okay. What I am doing here, I am writing 2 and here I am writing minus 2. Okay. Here I am writing 8 minus 8. both are having relation. 2 to 8 minus 2 to minus 8. Okay. Now we write our more one or two relations, one or two this also functions also. Okay, say f of 3 is equal to f of 1. We need not write, even you write also not wrong. F of 1 is equal to 1, f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This also you write. Here I write 1, here I write minus 1, here I write minus 1, here I write 1. Okay, then these are also having relation in between. Minus 1 to minus 1 relation is there, 1 to 1 relation is there. Okay, now you stop. Now you first see for injectivity whether this function is injective or not. Definitely injective. Why? Because you see, when you give minus 1 is coming. When you give 1 is coming. When you give 2, 8 is coming. When you give minus 2, minus 8 is coming. That means for every input, separate output is coming. There is no output for 2 inputs. Many 1. No. If it is a square, that may be different case. Why? Because minus 2 and 2 both will become 4. Square. But here not square. Here it is cube. That means these functions are 1 function only. Or else you go back. For 8 you see. 8 what you have to do? 8 fx x cube is equal to 8. Then x is equal to cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 only 2 will come. Nothing will come. Minus will not come. You understand na? That is why this function is 1 function. We can write. Okay. Write. How to write and all? All images from codomain. Now you can write codomain. Images. Why? Because these are images. All images from codomain are having only one pre-image from domain. Therefore, injective. You understand na? All images from codomain. Images are in codomain having only one pre-image. Wait, rather than all, so all are having one pre-image, like it comes meaning. What I do? Every you write. Every image or each image from codomain is having only one pre-image from domain. Okay, this is correct sentence. Each image from codomain is having only one. See, if you take this one. If you take this one, that like that it means each image from codomain is having only one pre-image in domain. That is why this is injective. This is injective only. Why? Because see, here all elements in Z having relation. Okay, like that it will come. Okay. Now we see the surjectivity also. Okay, surjectivity we need not go more. Already existing with results only we came to know. See here, 2 to 8 has there, 1 to 1 is there. But what about between 2? Here 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there. Okay. Now you think what about these elements? 6, 5, 3 and all. Even both negative and positive. See, these elements are, even I can write here minus 6 is there. Okay. Okay. Now, do you find any relation for those elements? Say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and all. Why? Because see, let us take 6. 6 I am taking, and this is equivalent to x cube. This is y, na? If it is available, then x is equal to cube root of 6. Cube root of 6 is not a integer. That means for 6 there is no element relation. There is no element in there is no element for relation in domain. Okay. Then now we can declare that this is non-surjective. You write like that only. any one element you can give example also. You can give that 6 only. The element 6 does not find any relation from domain, therefore non-surjective. Okay, now this function is injective but not surjective. Okay, non-surjective. Why? Because there is no surjective here. Elements are left. Elements are left means codomain and range are becoming not equal. Okay, now we finished the second question. We go for third question. Okay, see the third problem. Third question. Prove that greatest integer function R to R, that means domain real number, codomain also real number, given by fx is equal to, this symbol is for greatest integer function. Okay, I have explained in 11th class, or else you see my class 11 videos also, functions. Okay, in class 11 functions this graph also will come. I have explained about greatest integer function. This notation is neither 1 1 nor onto. That means this is not injective, not surjective, like we have to show. Okay, and he has given another one line where this bracket x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, now see, just 1 minute I will explain about greatest integer function, then we go for original problem. See, greatest integer function is notation is like this. These are called brackets actually. These are parentheses. These are braces. I have already explained in sets in class 11, I think. Braces, parentheses, brackets. Okay, greatest integer function bracket. See, students should not get confused. That is why in exam, whether it may be IIT, JEE or board, CBSE board or state boards, they mention greatest integer function, this denotes greatest integer function. At least one time they mention. Here 2 times they have mentioned, but not required. Even 1 time if they mention also, that is sufficient. Why? Because this we have already studied in class 11. 2 times he need not write, but he has written. Okay, that is okay. Greatest integer function is symbol is like this. What is this function? Okay, now you see. This function is, see, if you go input and output, say here if you give 2, 2 will come, 0, 0 will come. Until then okay. But if you give 2.5, then 2 only will come. Okay. And if you give 3.5, 3.6, it comes only 3. What this function is doing? This function is doing, if you give 3.6, it is making it 3 plus 0.6. 0.6 means what? 3 plus 0.6 means, say, 6 by 10. Like that it will split fraction, and it will take only integer portion only it will take, and fraction portion it will avoid or omit. Result is going to come 3. Okay, this is the speciality of this function. Okay, these are all for positive. And what about negative? Say minus 3.6 if it gives, then it will take it will give minus 4 outside. Sorry, minus 4. Minus 3.6. That means what it is going to become? Minus 3.6 if you do minus 3.6 plus 0.6 by 10 it will take. Sorry. Minus 3.6 if you do minus 4 plus 6 by 10 it will make. Then result is going to come minus 4 only. Okay. See, for understanding sake, see, always greatest integer function means less only it give. Less. Or equal to. If you give 2, 2 only will come. 2, 2, 0, 0. 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1.5, minus 2. Minus 1.5, minus 2. Why? Because see, if you see real line, 0, minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2. Okay, in between minus 2 and minus 1, minus 1.5 will be there. here. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 1.5. See here, between 1 and 2, 1.5 will be there. If you give 1.5, 1 will come. Why? Because here 1 is less and 1 plus fraction will be there. That is why 1 it will take. But if you give minus 1.5, here minus 2 plus fraction will be there. Why? Because less number plus fraction will be there. Minus 1 plus fraction will not be there. If you give minus 1.5, that is equal to minus 1 minus 2 plus 0.5. Then this will remove 0.5, it gives only minus 2. Why? Because minus 2 is less than minus 1. 1 is less than 2. For greatest integer function, 3.6 means 3 will come. Why? Because 3 only will come, less figure. But if it is in minus, negative number, minus 3.6 means here 3 is going to become 4, minus 4. Why? Because minus 4 is less. Immediately in brain you have to think minus 3 means, okay, less you take. Minus 4 is less. Minus 4 you have to take. Okay? This is the specialty of this function. Now we go for original problem. Okay, now as usual I am going to draw arrow diagram. Real number to real number. Okay. Real number to real number, and there is a function. Function f is there in between, but both are real number. Real number means what? Real number means here everything will be there. Minus infinity to plus infinity, 0 will be there. Negative integers will be there. Positive natural numbers, whole numbers will be there. Okay. And rational numbers will be there, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, like that, both sides. Rational numbers will be there. Irrational also will be there, root 3 will be there, root 2 will be there, all will be there in real numbers. Okay, now you come for function. Now function is there here. Function is what? Function is a greatest integer function. See, now there is no bracket x also you can call, but this is a greatest integer function, like it should be in your mind. Bracket x also you can call, but greatest integer function, greatest integer x, like that you can call. Okay, now one by one I give. Same thing. If I give f of 0, 0 only will come. But if I give f of 2, 2 will come. What if I give 2.9? 2 only will come. Why? Because see here 2 plus 0.9 will come, but it gives 2 only. What if f of minus 3.2? Minus 4 will come. Okay. Now what I am doing, f of 2.6 also I take, 2 will come. F of minus 3.9, minus 4 will come. Okay. These results are enough for us. Now based on these results we are going to draw the arrow diagram. You see how I am drawing. Okay. Now 0 to 0 I omit, 2 I will take. Okay. Okay. I am taking 2 to 2, 2.9, 2.6. Okay. 2.6, 2.9, 2.2, 2.6. Now I am going to make relation. Say 2 to 2 is there, 2.9 to 2 is there, 2.6 to 2 is there. See, rather than these three, several numbers are there for 2. If you have, okay. Now this is the case for 2. What about for 3? 3 also will take 3. Why? Because see, minus 3.2, minus 3.9. Both are having relation for minus 4 only. See, one positive, one negative we have taken for easy understanding. Minus 3.2, minus 3.9. Okay. Now we stop here and we will analyze for on to 1, 1. 1, 1 he is telling 1, 1 means injective. For injectivity, subjectivity we will see. First we see 1, 1 or injective. Okay. Now you tell me, is it injective? Is it 1, 1? No, this is many 1. Why? Because see here many will be there. Minus 3.2 to 4, minus 3.9 to 4, 2.6 to 2, 2.9 to 2, 2 to 2. That means more many 1 function. That is why this is not 1, 1 function. We write like this. Here we write. How I write? You see. This is many one. See, I am not explaining see minus 2 and all, or else I explain. As 2.9, 2.6, 2.5, etc. has relation with 2 in codomain, comma, this is many one function, not 1 okay, not 1 you have to write clearly. As 2.9, 2.6, 2.5, etc. has relation with 2 in codomain, this is many one function, not 1 function. Why? Because this is many one function. Okay, now 50% we have closed it. Now we go for the onto function. Okay, now you tell me this is a real number. Real number means other than 2 and minus 4 fair figures. Here also 2.3 will be there. 2.3 means I will tell you. Here we have given digits, but if you convert automatically, this rational will come. Na? See, 1.5 we also can write 3 by 2. Or else even if 1.5, even if you write also, that is not wrong for real number. But ultimately, as a rational number, you have to show. Okay, let me write that also. See, here 2 is there. But see, same 2.9 here will be there. 2.6 here will be there. 2.5 here will be there. But do you think these are having relation? No. These are all left. That's all. They don't have any relation. Why? Because greatest integer function gives only integer. But non-integers all left this side. Non-integers what are all there? Non-integers are there. Rational number, irrational number. All they left. Same thing we write. What we write? You see. All rational and irrational numbers from codomain does not have any relation from domain, therefore not onto. You understand now? This you write. That's all. All rational and irrational numbers from codomain does not have any relation from domain, therefore not onto. See here, you may ask me logically, sir, rational means 2 also rational number, 2 by 1 means. See, examiner will accept it. This is not wrong. Why? Because see, 2, 3, 4 are integers he will take, we will take. And 2.1 or something, 2 by 3 something, we take as rational number. Irrational means root 3, root 2, root 7, like that. All those are 3.14 or something, whatever it may be, 22 by 7. All you know. You please watch my basic videos. All I have explained regarding numbers also. Okay. Now we finished this third part. Why? Because he asked us to do neither 1 nor onto. This is neither 1. Finally, you write or else. By above, this is neither 1 nor onto. Okay. This word you write and close it. Then in the next class we go for fourth problem.